Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell button icon. You are here, that means you are planning a trip to Dubai, where it's for vacation, businesses, or visiting a friend. Do not skip the one most important step is a travel insurance. In today's video, I'll explain you everything what you need to know about the Dubai travel insurance on Make My Trip, including how to buy it, what it covers, and what it essentially for your visa approval. So let's get started. Why to buy from Make My Trip? Now you might wonder why buy from Make My Trip. Well, MMT makes it super easy and transparent. You can purchase travel insurance directly when booking your flights, hotel, or visa all in once. If you need to know how to do it for the visa procedure, I have already make a video for it. Please go there and check how to apply for a visa without any agent, without paying any extra fees. They partners with the top insurance provider like ICICI Lombard, Tata AIG, and Reliance General. Giving you a trusted protection with the global support is really needed in a especially a international trip. And travel insurance is your safety shield when you travel abroad. It covers your medical emergency, lost packages, travel delay, and the cancellation, and many more. And trust me, this is not the sponsored video. My channel is new. You might see the followers also, but I'm telling you because of my experience, what I feel, and it's a genuine video you can consider. For Dubai, travel insurance is mandatory for most tourists and visit visas. It ensures you are protected if anything expected happen during your trip. Next is how to buy Dubai travel insurance on MakeMyTrip. You have to go to MMT site. This is the official site for MMT. You can go there. You can check all the icons are there for the flights, hotel, homestay, and visas and everything. Uh, Again, I'm telling, reminding you if you need anything related to visa, please check my another video. Now we are going for a travel insurance. So you just have to go on the last, which is a travel insurance. Here you have to add the destination. Now you are going to Dubai, but Dubai is a city, it's not a country. Even though you are typing Dubai here, it will show you the destination, but you have to add it here UAE, which is a country of Dubai. So add this destination, add your travel dates, whatever on which date you are departing from your country to UAE, you have to add those dates. I'm adding here a random dates. You can add traveler as many as you can. Then a regular plan I want to see because my trip is not more than 6 to 7 days. So go for a regular if you are going to Dubai quite oftenly, like you can buy then the annual multi trip plan. So I'm going for one, so I'll go for a regular and explore the plans. There are a plenty of plans available. Trust me, guys, I have compared that plans with the Policy Bazaar as well. I find it this thing is very easy with the Make My Trip, and they gave you how to track your insurance, then how to apply it. This process is very easy. I have applied for it. I get my travel insurance, but I did not claim for it. So I don't know yet how the procedure for the claim procedure, but it seems very easy. So here are multi options you have available, which one you want to pick. So I went for this recommended only with the insurance which is having a OPD travel insurance also. So if you want to compare, you can just compare it with any other option, but I'll just go here. I'll show how I buy this. So buy now. Here you have to add your details, like I'll add the details. You give your birth date, then valid passport number. Make sure you are giving your valid and correct passport. Make sure you're giving your valid passport number because it will be written in your all the insurance document. So it is your identify from the passport number you can identify yourself. Then you can add the nominee and give the primary contact. I have applied for 4 members, so you can add the members as well. Then you can just hit buy for 560 rupees. After you are buying it, you will find it in My Trips. In My Trips, you can find that in a proper stage where you can get the all the copies for each and every traveler if you applied for a multi-traveler, or you can get it for yourself, and you have everything written in it, what is included, what is not included. It is given an emergency number also. I have tried that number and it is quite um, responsive, so you can definitely go for this travel insurance. I hope you are liking this video. I'll tell you few more tips so that you will get all this procedure in very easy manner and you have a much knowledge about it. So now I'll tell you a small things what MMT travel insurance covered. First is medical insurance and hospitalization in abroad, flight delays and the cancellation, lost and delayed baggages also. That's a pretty cool, right? Loss of passport, uh, how much amount they are covering it, it will all things will be mentioned in your policy. Then emergency medical evacuation and 24/7 customer service. So you can get that visa in between 200 to 600 rupees. Do not skip that because in UAE it's mandatory nowadays. I hope you like my video and please support me. If you support this videos, I'll make more videos for you, more travel hacks, travel tips, and um, it will keep encouraging me. Thank you for your support and stay tuned. Thank you.